Hey Explorers, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Robert.
And today on Exploring the Local Life, we're going to take you on a little tour.
We're going to be touring the Jayco Eagle 29.5 BHOK Fifth Wheel.
Let me just tell you, we kind of like this one.
Yeah.
A little bit.
It's one of those things that we were going through it and we liked the modern design, not only the exterior but the interior, and the space, especially for what would be the kids area, is really well done.
Yes.
I'm going to let the video do most of the talking about this 35-footer, but here's a couple stats that we always like to focus on.
Alright, so something that we do like to look at when we are looking at RVs is tank capacities. Now this one has a freshwater tank, which is 43 gallons, and then the black tank, gray tank, each are 32.5 gallons. That's pretty typical, I think, of a smaller kind of RV. So it may give you a little bit of days without having a sewer connection, or if you decide to go boondocking, but it's probably going to be a little bit harder if you're going to do some long-term boondocking or dry camping.
All right, so we're looking at a 29.5 foot Jayco Fifth Wheel Eagle HT. Hey Jess, what do you think of this one?
I'm taking a photo with it with my own phone here.
All right, so we're looking at a 9,049 pound dry weight. And here is some awesomeness here. We have a little microwave. We have these deep cabinets, relatively speaking, that are not brown. They've gone into this antique white look. We have a 3-burner top with these nice, solid, not crappy looking thingies. But this one has a little oven. We saw another one earlier that had another Eagle Fifth Wheel that had a much larger oven. So that's something we definitely want to look into. But the thing is, you have the storage down here. So there is, choices to be made there. Under sink storage, let's see if it's useless. It is quite useful. Yep, and this is a sink cover that we have in storage down here, and then this is a rolling magnetic sink drain. A sink stuff to put your stuff to dry. And here is the exciting part, other than the price, which is sale price $43,995, which shows you whenever they have an advertised price anywhere, make sure to get a steep discount, okay? I'm sure they'll even negotiate on that. Jessica's in love. Here we go.
Like, really? I want to live in here. It even has air vents for everybody. Place for TV and stuff. They can play their Xbox in
high
here.
bunk, mid bunk.
The only problem would be
lower
making
bunk,
sure they didn't launch themselves from bunk to bunk.
Well, it's not you know who and you know who and you know who.
I know. Oh my gosh, this is fantastic.
So we're gonna bring your parents to the next Tampa International RV Show.
This is, look how many lights are in here. Oh, is there a light switch?
Yeah, these guys have also.
Not this one. Oh my goodness.
So you got some master lights for the ones that can't reach. And then you have your individual lights. Now one thing is, if a kid wants to go to bed and the other one has the light on, there might be some brawls going on because there are no privacy shields.
Yeah,
so we'd have to look at privacy shields, like a shower curtain type situation. And there's a cable up there. A more modern Furrion system. Real storage. And we haven't even sat down here. I mean, there's room to be here. Not a U-shaped cursed dinette. Jessica, have a seat. There we go. And then more traditional hangout spot.
I slid the cushion out though. Some of us have quirky things like cushions that are not fixed in any particular
Velcro, baby.
Velcro.
And let's go to the
But
master.
it doesn't have. It's kind of.
It's okay. It's got tubs, but it's got all that storage. Jessica, show us the storage down there. So we have an open area. Then you have these little tubs, which actually helps keep it light because it's already a pretty heavy unit.
Yeah, true.
We can't really speak to that. Can you speak to why?
And then let's go to the master bathroom. So this one has one bathroom. Hello. Medicine cabinet. Toilet, which of course we would put a composting toilet there.
Yes.
A shower that you can actually close the door on. Ta-da.
Is this the kind of thing that Alyssa got stuck in?
No, you can't. No,
You can't lock yourself, like, be locked out.
No. So, well, somebody can lock you in.
That's what I mean. Isn't that what happened to her? Heath and Alyssa had
No,
it.
no. He would
Locked
not have
her
done. No.
into the shower.
I'm guessing it was a door like
Yeah,
that.
it's
Otherwise, that was a real mean trick.
What? Oh, towels.
Towel storage, wow. And there is door, so you can be private from the
But
kids.
how does wait? How does this door work? So it's not fully.
Yes.
Hey,
So
can you
there's
pass me, I forgot
toilet
my
paper?
underwear.
I get the toilet paper. So that is one design flaw, which I
It's
think
not that
is
bad.
a
It's
totally.
totally livable.
Oh, look at all this space.
It's more like a Ford's quirkiness than
You're more of a quirk
something
than a.
horrible.
Yeah.
That's something you can Google about.
I do like this little space right here. You have step up. But look at this.
Yeah.
You have a cat. You have a dog. They're gonna love sunning themselves
Yeah,
there.
they will.
Or put your iMac there.
Look, we can even demonstrate that right now.
Yeah. We'll pretend this is a cat.
Wow!
Wow.
This is great for sunning myself.
Wow.
Wow.
Sneeze, sneeze. Of
How
course,
cute.
we'd find Nadia there if we didn't find a cat there.
Yeah. This is good.
So this one's a hit.
This is a major hit. I think I was actually talking about.
How do you feel, baby?
I feel like I want to drop our current or be like a hot potato. Get this one. They're salespeople all over the place. I don't want to give them false hope.
Now, if Jayco wants to sponsor us and give us a super screaming deal, we'd have to put anything down and pay like $50 a month.
We're down with that.
I love all these drawers. All right, let's get out and look at the power systems.
But I don't want to get out.
All right, here is our control panel. We have electric, water, LP gas, water, tanks, lights, the blank. All right, so we have retract for slide room 2, slide room 3, what doesn't exist, awning, tire pressure check.
You can actually use this kitchen.
Yeah.
A step stool. I would need a step stool for that, but that's it's okay.
Power stabilizer jacks.
Television bracket location.
And one thing is you would want to put a window there.
Well.
Well, they got side windows. All right. So this was pretty cool.
This was a hit.
So this was the Jayco Eagle HT 29.5 BHOK. Bunkhouse? Okay. Okay, so the basic package with this fifth wheel is a 30 amp unit with one air conditioner, but like most fifth wheels, especially if you're going to be in the south, you want a second air conditioning unit. So to upgrade to that second air conditioning unit, we would then go to a 50 amp service, that second air conditioner, and that total comes up to about another $1,200 just for that setup. There are several other options available with these, but you know, that all depends on your taste. Do you really need that electric fake fireplace or not? You know, so there's many different things to take a look at. So there's something to bear in mind. If you're going to be in the south, you want that extra air conditioner.
Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below.
Make sure to subscribe, like, and
hit that bell for subscriptions. Oops, for notifications.
We've only done this a couple times.
See you guys. Bye.